Hi everyone, welcome to the session. So this is the third session of sequences and series. So in this course we have already discussed about arithmetic progressions, geometric progressions. So in this chapter we are going to discuss about harmonic progressions as well as some of the important results related to sequences. Okay, let's begin. Yeah, so before I start the session, let me just tell you a bit about myself. My name is Aishwarya and I have done my masters in maths from University of Delhi. Prior to that, I did my graduation from Miranda House, University of Delhi. I have been training for various exams like CAT, GRE and GMAT since past 4 years now. Okay, so now I'm going to tell you the benefits of the Plus and Iconic subscriptions. Yes, hi Kunal, welcome to the session. Yes, trigonometry is there in CAT syllabus. Only the basics of, very basics of trigonometry are there. Okay, so if you go for the Plus subscription, you will have access to the classes from India's top educators. All the classes are live and interactive. So you can get your doubts clarified within the class itself. You will be given notes after the end of each and every lecture. You will also have access to the live mock test and quizzes that happen on our platform. Alright, so along with this, there is one more subscription, that is our Iconic subscription. So in the Iconic subscription, all the benefits of Plus are there. Along with that, you will get personal guidance from your educator. OMET's preparation is there. You'll get expert guidelines about GDPI, and if you have any MBA related query, it will be resolved. Okay. Along with that, you will get a very detailed score report and test analysis of each and every mock test that you give on the platform. Now, these are the prices of our Plus and Iconic subscription. So, the price of Plus subscription for 24 months is 32,800, and for 12 months, the price is 22,550. Likewise, the price of Iconic subscription for 24 months is 67,000 and the price of Iconic subscription for 12 months is 39,500. Over this fees, you can use the code AAISH10 to get the instant 10% off the course fee. Alright. Yes, hi everyone. Welcome to the session. Yes, guys, can you please type a hi in the chat box so that I can know who all are attending the session? Hi Namit, welcome to the session. Okay, alright, let's begin. So I hope the basic concepts of arithmetic progression and geometric progression are clear to you. Okay, so now in this session I am going to start by discussing harmonic progressions in detail. Okay, so what is an arithmetic progression? When the difference, when a constant number is added to the preceding term, we get a arithmetic progression. Okay, so arithmetic progression is a sequence which is equally spaced. Okay, we have a common difference between each and every term of an AP. Likewise, let us understand what is an harmonic progression. So if the reciprocals of terms of a sequence are in arithmetic progression, then the sequence is said to be in harmonic progression. Okay, so what is the general form of an AP? If the first term of an AP is A and the common difference is D, so then I can list the terms of the AP as A plus D, next term will be A plus 2D, then A plus 3D, then A plus 4D and so on. Okay, so these are the terms of an AP. Now, what is an HP? So if I write the reciprocal of each term here, I will get the harmonic progression. So the general terms would be, the general terms of an HP are 1 by A upon 1 by A plus D upon 1 by A plus 2D upon 1 by A plus 3D and so on. Alright, so this is the reciprocal of the terms of an arithmetic progression. Alright, is this clear? Alright, now let us understand what is harmonic mean. Like in the case of arithmetic progression, we had arithmetic mean. What was arithmetic mean? For the two numbers A and B, the arithmetic mean is equal to A plus B by 2. Right? What is the geometric mean of these two numbers? This is under root AB. Alright, likewise we have the harmonic mean of two numbers. So if I have two numbers A and B, their harmonic mean is given by 2AB upon A plus B. Okay, so please make sure that you remember this formula. Please take a note of this formula. Okay. Yes, is this clear to you all? Okay, all right. Now let us see one more important result, that is, so we discussed about arithmetic mean, geometric mean and harmonic mean. So this is the relationship between these three means, that arithmetic mean of two numbers or more numbers is always greater than the geometric mean, and geometric mean of n numbers is greater than the harmonic mean. Okay, so for the case of two numbers, we can sum this result as, we can write this result as a plus b by 2 is greater than under root ab is greater than 2ab by a plus b. Alright, so this relationship is true for two numbers and more numbers also. Alright, so I hope this is clear. Let us continue further. So now these are some important results related to sequences which will really help you in solving the questions. Okay, so questions related to sequences will be solved using these three formulas. Let us understand these formulas now. Okay, okay. So first one is to calculate the sum of first n natural numbers. So if I have, so what are the first n natural numbers? I can start from 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4 till so on. Okay. So if I have to find the sum of first 10 natural numbers, I will take n as 10 and put this 10 in this formula. So the sum of first 10 natural numbers is given by summation n. So this is read as summation n, means sum of all the numbers from 1 to n. This is n into n plus 1 by 2. Okay, so this is the formula to calculate the sum of first n natural numbers. Okay, is this clear? Yes. Kunal, Bhumika, Namit, is this clear? Alright. So the next formula is to calculate the sum of squares of first 10 natural numbers. So what is the sum of squares? This is 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus 4 square and so on. Okay, so this is the formula. It says that summation n square denoted by this is equal to n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. Alright, now we have one more formula to calculate the sum of first n cubes. So this was 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube and so on. Okay, so this formula is summation n cube is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2 whole square. So this is the square of summation n actually. Okay, so are these three formulas clear to everyone? Please give me a thumbs up if all these three formulas are clear. Yes, Bhumika, Namit, Kunal. Okay. Alright, let us proceed then now. Now see, often in if some sequence is given to you and you have to calculate the sum of each term of the sequence, Okay, then finding the general term of a sequence is very important. Let's see how can you find the general term of a sequence. So let us take the example of this sequence. So if you see the terms here, this is the first term, then this is the second term, this is the third term, and so on. Okay, so these terms will follow a same pattern. Alright, hi Shashank, welcome to the session. Okay, so these terms follow a certain pattern. Now let us find the general term of the sequence. So let us take the first one. Let us take the first term. It is 3 into 8. Okay. Second term. This is 6 into 11. Third term. 9 into 14. Okay. So each term is written as the product of two numbers. So let us consider the first number first. So we have 3, 6, 9. So from here I can clearly see that these numbers are the multiples of 3 starting from 3, right? So in terms of n, so starting with n is equal to 1, I can write the first term as 3 into n, right? Am I right? Can I write the first term as 3 into n? Yes, Shashank, please ask, what is the doubt? Okay. Okay. So the first term is 3n. Let's see what is the second term. So second term is 8, 11, 14. So by just looking at this, can you tell me what is the second term? What is the general term of the second term here? Second number. Yes, think about it. Let's see. So see, we have 8 here. Now we can write 8 as 3 into 1 plus 5. So this is 3 plus 5, 8. Correct? Then we have 11 here. Now 11 can be written as 3 into 2 plus 5, 6 plus 5. Okay. Likewise, we have 14. 14 can be written as 3 into 3 plus 5. So which is 9 plus 5. So from here we can see that the second number is also following a pattern and each number is equal to 3n plus 5 with n starting from 1. Okay. So therefore I can say that general term of the sequence is 3n into 3n plus 5. Alright, so the general term here is 3n into 3n plus 5. Yes. Is this general term clear? Yes. Bhumika, Kunal, Namit, Shashank, Panda, is this clear? Yes. Hi, Chetna. Alright. So this is how we can find the general term of a sequence. Finding the general term is very necessary to find the sum. We'll solve such questions later. Now let us continue with the second sequence. So this is the sequence. Let us understand what these terms are. So this is the first term, 3 into 1 square. Second term is 5 into 2 square. Third term is 7 into 3 square. Okay, let us try to identify the general term. Okay, so we have 3 into 1 square. Then we have 5 into 2 square and 7 into 3 square. Okay, so I am going to consider the first number first, 3, 5 and 7. So these are the odd numbers starting from 3. Okay, so remember in any sequence we always start from n is equal to 1. So please find out what is the general term for the first number 3, 5 and 7. Think about it. Yes, what is the general term here? 3, 5 and 7. Yes, Shashank, I'm from Lucknow. Yes, guys, quickly. So we have 3, 5 and 7. So we can write this 3 as 2 into 1 plus 1. Also 5 we can write as 2 into 2 plus 1. 7 can be written as 2 into 2 plus 1. Sorry, 2 into 3 plus 1. So from here, can you see the pattern that the general term is 2n plus 1? Right. Now let us see the second term of this sequence. We have 1 square, 2 square, 3 square. So this is quite obvious that the general term is n square. Hence, the general term of this sequence is 2n plus 1 into n square. Alright, is this clear? Yes, correct. N square is correct. Now, okay, so we have this. So I can say that general term of this sequence is 2n plus 1 n square. So if I open the brackets, I will get 2n cube plus n square. This is the general term of this sequence. Of the first sequence, the general term is, I can open the brackets and simplify. I can write this as 9n square plus 15n. Alright, is this clear? Is the method of finding the general term of a sequence clear? Yes. Alright. Yes, guys, I would request each and every one of you to reply. I hope this is clear to everyone. Okay. Alright, let's move on. So now let us understand how can we find the sum of a sequence using the general term. Okay. Now we already discussed about these formulas. The sum of first n natural numbers is this. First sum of squares of first n natural numbers is this, and sum of first n cubes is this. So these formulas will be very useful now. Let's see. Okay, so I have this sequence. Okay, so the terms are 7 into 11, 11 into 15, 15 into 19 till 95 into 99. Let us find the general term first. Okay, please try to find the general term. So this is 7 into 11. Then 11 into 15, then 15 into 19. Yes, please find the general term. Okay. Now let us see what is the general term here. So the first number is 7, 11, 15. Okay. So we can write. So now remember that we always start with n as 1. Okay. So 7 can be written as 4 into 1 plus 3. Likewise, we can write 11 as 4 into 2 plus 3. 15 can be written as 4 into 3 plus 3, 12 plus 3. Okay, so therefore, the general term for the first number is, yes, so this is 4 into n plus 3. Okay, this is 4n plus 3. Likewise, please try to find the general term for the second number. So this is 11, 15, then 19. Now you can clearly see the difference between the first number and the second number is of 4, right? So I can write 11 as 4 into 1 plus 3 plus 4. Okay, this can be written as 4 into 2 plus 3 plus 4. Okay, so 4 is added to each number. So therefore I can say that the general term for the second number is 4n plus 7. Yes, is this clear? Now please solve this. Yes, please simplify this. So this will be equal to 16n square plus 28n plus this is 12n plus 7 into 3 is 21. Okay, simplifying this further, I will get 16n square plus this is 8 plus 0, 40n plus 21. So this is the general term of this sequence. Okay, is this clear? Yes. Shashank, Chetna, Panda, is this clear? Kunal, Namit. Okay. So this is a general term of this series, this sequence. Okay. Now how can we find the sum using this? Okay. So this is the general term. Let us denote it by an. So the sum is summation of an. We add the different terms. So this is the summation of an. So I can write this as summation over 16n square plus 40n plus 21. Okay, now see, you can divide this summation as, so this can be written as summation 16n square plus summation 40n plus summation 21. Alright, now let us take these constant numbers outside. Let's see what will I get. So this will be equal to 16 into summation n square plus 40 into summation n plus 21. Now see, we have 21. If you take 21 out as common, it means you are adding the number 1 n times. So this will be equal to 21n. Alright. Is this step clear to all here? Please give me a thumbs up or say a yes or okay in the chat box if this is clear to you, this step. Yes, Chetna, Panda, is this clear? Okay, alright, so this is the sum. Now I can replace the value of summation n square and summation n from the formulas that we have learned here. Okay, so let us replace this value. So we know that summation n square is equal to n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. Okay, and this is equal to 40 into sigma n. Sigma n is n into n plus 1 by 2 plus 21n. Okay, so now how many terms are there in this sequence? Can we calculate? Now let's see, the last term is 95 into 99. Okay, so therefore if I take n terms in this sequence, so I can write 95 as 4n plus 3, right? So from here I will get the value of n as 95 minus 3 is 92 by 4, which is equal to 23. So therefore number of terms in this sequence is 23. So now you just have to put the value of n as 23 in this sum and you will get the answer. Okay, so let us do that. Okay, so let us put n as 23 here. So this will be 16 into 6 into 23 into 24 into. So 23 into 2 is 46 plus 1 47. Okay, this is one term. Other term is 40 into 23 into 24 by 2 plus 21 into 23. Alright. So quite calculation intensive. So if you will simplify this, you will get option 1 as the answer. Okay. Yes. Is this question clear? Yes. Chetna Panda, is this question clear? Shashank? Alright. Should we move on to the next question now? Okay, let's see how to solve. Let's move on to the next question. Okay, this is the next question. Please read the question and try to solve it. All right, let us read the question together. The difference between any two consecutive interior angles of a polygon is 5 degrees. Okay, so if one angle is A, then other angle is A plus 5, third angle is A plus 10, then A plus 15 and so on. So these are the different angles of a polygon. Okay, now we know in geometry we have learned the sum of all angles of a polygon. So sum of all angles is equal to 180 degrees into n minus 2. Okay, so this is the sum of all interior angles of an n-sided polygon. Okay, this is the sum of all interior angles of n-sided polygon. Okay, so I'll be using this formula here. Let's see how. Okay, so these are the different angles. The difference between each angle is 5 degrees. If the smallest angle is 120, therefore we are given the value of A and the value of A is equal to 120 degrees. Okay, now we have to find the sum of sides of, we have to find the number of sides of polygon. So basically we have to calculate the value of n. Okay, please try to solve this question. Okay. Alright, is this question clear? Okay, so like here we discussed that these angles are in AP. Okay, and sum of n terms of an AP is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1d. Okay, so this is the sum of n terms of an AP. So here the value of A is given as 120, the value of D is 5 degrees. Okay, so let us find the sum here. So sum will be equal to n is what I need to find. 2a means 240, n minus 1 I don't know, d is equal to 5. Okay, so let us simplify this. So this will be equal to 240 by 2n plus n into n minus 1 by 2. This is 5n minus 2. Alright, so this is the sum here. Now this sum will be equal to 180 degrees into n minus 2. Let us put these together. Okay, let us equate them. So we will get this as 180 into n minus 2. Okay, simplifying this further, I can write this is 180n minus 360 degrees. Yes, hi Shashank, please try to solve this question. So this is 180n minus 360 degrees is equal to 120n plus 5n square minus 5n by 2. Okay, let us simplify this further. So I can write this as 180n minus 360 is equal to 240n plus 5n square minus 5n. Now 2 was the LCM here. Okay, let's continue further. So I will get this as 180n minus 360 is equal to 240n plus 5n square minus 5n. Okay, now 2 will, let us multiply 2 to this side. Okay, solving this further, I will get this as 360n minus 720 is equal to 240n plus 5n square minus 5n. Now this is a quadratic equation which we can solve. Please try to solve this quadratic equation. Okay, so further I can write this as 5n square. Now minus 5n plus 240n minus 360n minus plus 720 is equal to 0. Okay, so further simplifying this, so I will get this as, yes, please solve this and tell me what is the value of n. Yes, please solve. Okay, so this is equal to minus 365 plus 240, which is equal to 125. Okay, you're getting 16. Okay, so you got the value of n as 16. There would be one more value as this is quadratic. What is the other value? Is it 9? Yes, correct. So the two values of n will be 16 and 9. Okay, sorry, this is 144. Alright, so this condition is true for a polygon of side 9 or 16. It is true for a 9-sided and a 16-sided polygon. Alright, I hope this question is clear. Let's move on to the next question. So you have to find the sum of n terms of the sequence. Okay, let us take n as 10. Okay, you need to find the sum till n terms here. Okay, in the place of n, you can take 10. Find the sum of 10 terms of this sequence. Please try to solve. Alright, let us try to understand this question first. So if I have to find the sum, basically you have to find 8 plus 88 plus 888 plus 4 times 8 and so on. Okay, now this is also a type of sequence. So here I can take 8 common. If I take 8 common, let's see what will you get inside. 1 plus 11 plus 111 plus 4 times 1 and so on. Right, now I can please see what is the next. Please understand the next step very carefully. So now I am going to multiply and divide this by 9. Okay, so I am doing it for a purpose, you will understand later. So I am going to write this as 8 by 9 into 9 plus 99 plus 999 plus 4 times 9 and so on. Okay, yes, is this a step clear to everyone here? Yes. Okay, alright, let's move on. Now see, I can write this 9 as 10 minus 1. Okay, likewise, I can write 99 as 100 minus 1. 999 can be written as 1000 minus 1. This number 4 times 9 can be written as 10,000 minus 1 and so on. So now this can be written as 10 minus 1 plus 100 is 10 square minus 1 square. 1 square or just 1, same thing. 10 cube minus 1, 10 raised to the power 4 minus 1 and so on. Okay, so I have solved it till this step partially. Please try to find out the next step. Try to continue this question and tell me the answer. I am giving you 1 minute to answer. Okay, please try. Alright, let's continue further. In the next step, this is 8 by 9 into, now see, I can club all the terms of 10 raised to the power n together and this will form a GP. 10 plus 10 square plus 10 cube. Okay, so till 10, so since we have to find the sum of 10 terms, so I'll continue this till 10 raised to the power 10. Okay, this is the first term. Next, now what do I need to subtract? 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. How many times? So this 1 plus 1 plus 1 will be 10 times. Yes. Okay, let's continue this further. So this Sn is equal to 8 by 9 into. Now I got this is a GP. Sum of n terms of a GP is a into r raised to the power n minus 1 upon r minus 1. Okay, so let us use this formula. So in this sequence, if you see that the value of a is also 10 and the value of r is also 10. Alright, so let us apply this. So I will get this as 10 into 10 raised to the power 10. Now the value of n is also 10 as we are finding the sum of 10 terms. Minus 1 upon 10 minus 1. Okay, minus 1 plus 1 plus 1, 10 times. So this is equal to this. Alright, let us simplify this further. We will get this as 8 by 9 into, now this is 10 into 10 raised to the power 10 minus 1. This is 9. Okay, 9 minus 10. Okay, so this can be simplified further and then you will get the correct answer. Okay, yeah, is this question clear? I can even write this as 80 upon 81 into 10 raised to the power 10 minus 1, this term, and this term will be equal to 80 by 9. Okay, so this is the sum of this sequence. Alright. Yes, Sharmishta, is this question clear to you? Okay, then let us solve one more question. So you have to find the sum of n terms of this series. So here also please take the value of n as 10. Okay, you have to, okay, n is not, sorry, forget about this. Yeah, so this is the question. You can find the value of n in this question. Yes, please try to solve. Try to find out what is the general term here. Guess what is the general term? N plus 1 whole square. Think about it. See, we have 5 square. 5 square you can write as 1 plus 4 whole square. Then you have 6 square. This is 2 plus 4 whole square. Then you have 7 square. This is 2 plus 5 whole square. Sorry, this is 3 plus 4 whole square. So can you see the pattern here? Yes, correct. So the general term of this sequence is n plus 4 whole square. Now I can open the brackets using the identity a plus b whole square. This is n square plus 8n plus 16. Right? So this is the general term. Therefore, the sum is given by, let us take this general term as an. Summation over an. Okay, so let us simplify this further. So can be written as n square plus 8n plus 16. Okay, so the summation can be divided this way. So summation n square plus 8 into summation n plus 16 into n. Okay, all right, great, Sharmishta, you have got the answer. Let us continue solving this. So summation over n square, what is the formula? N into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. What is this? 8 into n plus 1 by 2, and this is 16n. Okay, so this is our answer, but here the last term is given, so we can find the total number of terms. The last term is 20 square. Okay, so therefore from here you get the value of n as 16. Okay, so please put the value of n as 16 here. So we will get this as 16 into 17 into 33 by 6 plus 8 into 16 into 17 by 2 plus 16 into 16. Okay, please solve this and tell me what is the final number you are getting. So when you solve this, you will get 2840 as the answer. Okay. Sharmishta, please check your calculations. You might have done some calculation mistake. This is 2840. Alright, is this question clear? Yes, Rahul, Sharmishta, is the question clear to everyone here? Okay. Alright. Okay, so this was the last question of today's class. So I'm going to give you a question in homework. Please try to solve this. So this is the question for you. Please try to solve this question as the homework. I'll definitely discuss this question in the next class of sequences and series. Alright, also if you want, I can share the solution on the Telegram group. Yes, please take a screenshot of this question or note this. Try to solve it as the homework. Alright, let's continue further. Yeah, so now I'm going to give you some information about the students who were from the Iconic subscription and have got more than 99 plus in their CAT 2020. Okay, so you guys can also join this list for CAT 2021 if you start with your preparation with us as soon as possible. So if you feel that you need personal guidance in any topic of verbal, quants or LR, please make sure that you take the Iconic subscription. It will be very helpful for you. Okay, now this is the information about the batches that are going on recently. So on 14th of April, we have started a new batch. In this batch, Mr. Ashish Kumar, Mr. Ravi Handa, Ronak Kumar sir and Harpreet ma'am will be taking the classes. So please make sure that you join these batches. You still have time for it. And you can use the code AAISH10 to start the prep. Okay, so to enroll, to get the 10% off, you can use this code. Alright, now one more new batch was started from 17th of April and a new batch is going to start from 21st of April. Okay, so guys, please make sure that you don't miss any class from these batches. Now, this is the scholarship test that is conducted by Unacademy every weekend. So on Sunday, this test will happen at 12 p.m. The duration of the test is 60 minutes. Syllabus will be same as that of CAT. You can register for this test using the code AAISH10. Okay. Yes, Shashank, Yes, definitely. If you want to take the subscription for it, so I can explain you the procedure. I'm just going to explain this to you. Okay. So you just have to download the Unacademy Learning app, install the Unacademy Learning app from the Google Store. Okay. Select CAT as your goal, and then you can click on Get Subscription. Okay. Remember to use the code AAISH10 while taking the subscription. This way you will be able to get the 10% off the entire course fee. Okay. Yeah, also you can connect with me on this Telegram channel. Please text me on this Telegram channel. I'll definitely be able to guide you. Okay. Yes. Okay, so these are the names of our YouTube channel, Unacademy CAT for MBA and Unacademy CAT. So on this channel, I take classes for LRDI daily at 6 p.m. And on this channel, I take classes for Quantitative Aptitude daily at 8 p.m. Alright, so you can attend these classes on these time. Okay. Yes, Shashank, you can download the notes of each and every session on our Unacademy Learning app. Okay, so you can download the notes of the special classes. You can download the entire PDF after the end of the class. Alright, now there is one more feature of the Unacademy Learning app, Ask a Doubt feature. So if you have any doubt in quants and LRDI, just take the picture of the question, upload it on our platform, then our educators will solve the question and share the detailed explanation with you. Alright. Yes, do you have any more doubts regarding the Plus subscription or any question that we discussed in today's class? Okay. Alright then, thank you so much guys for attending the session. I hope the session was useful for you all. Thank you. Keep practicing.